Hi guys, today we'll learn how to create a pyspark data frame using Python list. So I have already defined two lists here, name and age list and age list. So we'll see using this single list how to create a data frame. So in the age list we have integer data types and few ages given here. So let's see how we can create a data frame. So let's create an age data frame, HDF. So in Databricks, the Spark session object is already available, so we can use Spark dot. So if you are using it local, you have to create a Spark session. So Spark session is basically the entry point of a Spark application. And so we have a method called create data frame. So we are using this create data frame method and we'll pass our age list. We have to pass this age list here and we have to the second argument we have to give is the schema of this data frames so for the column. So here the age list is an integer, so let's give int here, and our data frame is ready, so let's display this hdf. So you can run this cell using this run cell, or you can press shift enter. Okay, so our data frame is ready and we displayed it. So we have the values here, and the name we are getting is a default value. So let's check how we can rename it. So hdf. So we have a method called with column renamed here. So we'll use with column rename. So if you want to check out what all column methods are available, you can just press tab after, and we have with column renamed method. And using this method, we have to rename the column name. So it takes two arguments here. So the first one will be the old name, whatever you want to rename it. So the older name is value here, and the second one will be the new name we want to give it. So it is going to be age, and let's again display this. Okay, so now the name is changed. It is coming as age here. So this is how we create a single column data frame using list in PySpark. So let's check how we can create a multi-column data frame. So let me comment out this one. So our name and age list is a list of tuples, and we can increase the values here. We can give more values here instead of like name and age if you want to increase the columns. So for now, I'm creating a two-column data frame. So I have given name and age here. So now let's pass this name and age list instead of the old list here. And here, let's give the schema. So the first value is name, and what type it is, it's a string type, comma, we need to define for the second one is age, space, it is of int type. So let me run this cell now. So we have our multi-column data frame ready. We have two columns here, name and age.